Hi guys, I'm Sonali Bansal, a certified health coach, and I have my own brand, The Wellness Table. I've been practicing as a certified health coach for about 3 years, and I also have a certification in yoga. And I had my own studio, but now currently my forte is weight loss, liver health, thyroid health, hormonal health, PCOS, and PCOD. So let's talk about some tips and tricks on a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle is something that supports your overall well-being. It just doesn't mean that you have to eat right. It also means that you have to practice good sleeping habits, you have to practice good hygiene habits, you have to work out, and you have to eat well to bring about a healthy lifestyle in the whole. Steps to healthy lifestyle would be again, eating right, eating a well-balanced meal, which includes protein, carbs, and fat as well, because fat doesn't make you fat. And also walking at least 8 to 10,000 steps in a day, and sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours, because sleeping is the most important piece of the puzzle to stay healthy. And also taking good care of your skin and your hair by taking good supplements if they are needed, and also adding some workout either by yoga, meditation, or some high intensity interval training or some strength routine. So yoga, meditation, and exercising are vital to stay healthy. So whatever we eat, not 100% is what is burnt in the body. So there is something called basal metabolism, which are the basic calories that our body need to stay upbeat, to do the daily chores. But then again, that's not what we do. That's not the ideal amount of calories that we are eating. We are eating more than that. So in order to keep the fat level low, in order to stay fit and stay active and stay healthy, not skinny, stay fit, we have to burn the extra calories. So exercise, yoga or meditation would help you do that. It will increase your focus, it will increase your flexibility, it will burn the extra muscle mass. Of course, you will look toner and leaner, but you will feel active, you will feel invigorated. Well, it's a long chain topic, but in a crux, I can say that sleeping is extremely important for weight loss, for staying active, for staying healthy. So firstly, the most important part is that you create a sleep routine. So if, for example, you say you sleep at 10 p.m., then maybe go to sleep between 10 p.m. to 10:30 every day, so that the body clock is set in that pattern. Then create a sleeping environment. By that I mean that dim the lights, maybe use black curtains, so that the extra light coming from outside or someone else's room, or sound coming from someone else's room if they are watching something, can be minimized. Well, healthy eating habits are extremely important, because if you can never outtrain a bad diet. If you are working out well, if you are walking, if you are sleeping well, but you are eating poorly, it will start reflecting in every segment of your routine. If you don't eat well, you won't be able to sleep well. If you don't eat well, you won't be able to work out well. If you don't eat well, you won't be able to perform your daily chores. So, adding a good, healthy meals. Like I said, I'll emphasize on it again. Macros and micros are really important, and you cannot leave anything out and say that I'm eating well or eating good. So eating well will actually comprehend, or complement everything that you're doing on a daily basis. So all of this would give you a healthy lifestyle, and you can call yourself somebody who leads a healthy lifestyle.